Very good morning, children. Sairam, how are you all? So I hope you all are doing good, right? Okay. So today we shall do the word problems. Okay. So exercise 8.5, third question. Neha bought 3 meter and 95 centimeter of blue cloth. So what is the length of the blue cloth? 3 meter and 95 centimeter. Okay, and 1 meter 75 centimeter of red cloth. So what is the length of the red cloth? It is 1 meter 75 centimeter. Okay, and 5 meter 25 centimeter of pink cloth. So what is the length of the pink cloth? It is 5 meter and 25 centimeter. Okay, so these are all the given data. Okay, so what is the question they have asked? How much total length of cloth did she buy? So we are going to find out the total length of the cloth. Okay, so she bought 3 types of cloth, right? The first one is blue cloth, and the length of the blue cloth is 3 meter 95 centimeter. And the second one is red cloth, and the length of the red cloth is 1 meter 75 centimeter. And the third one is pink cloth, right? Pink cloth. Then what is the length of the pink cloth? It is 5 meter 25 centimeter. Okay, so we are going to find out the total length of the cloth. Okay, for that what we have to do? We have to add these 3 lengths. Okay, we are going to add these 3 lengths. Okay, so first we have to write the given data. Okay, what are the given data? First one is length of blue cloth is 3 meter 95 centimeter. Okay, the second one is length of red cloth is 1 meter 75 centimeter. The third one is length of pink cloth is 5 meter 25 centimeter. So these are the given data. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the total length of the cloth. For that what we have to do? We have to add these 3 lengths. Okay. So the length of the blue cloth plus the length of the red cloth plus the length of the pink cloth. Okay. So we have to add. So how to add? First we have to separate the units, right? So what are the units they have given? Meter and centimeter. So write meter and centimeter separately. Okay. So the length of the blue cloth is 3 meter 95 centimeter. Okay. And the length of the red cloth is 1 meter 75 centimeter. And the length of the pink cloth is 5 meter 25 centimeter. So we are going to add these 3 lengths. Okay. So starting from the right hand side. Okay. So 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 5 is 15. So 15 is the 2-digit number. So write 5 in the answer and carry over 1 to the next place and add now. Okay. So 1 plus 9 is 10 and 10 plus 7 is 17 and 17 plus 2 is 19. So 19 is also a 2-digit number. So write 9 in the answer and carry over 1 to the next place. And now add 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay. So the total length of the cloth is 10 meter and 95 centimeter. Okay, so what is the answer? Total length of the cloth is 10 meter and 95 centimeter. Okay, so you have to read the question properly. Okay, then only you can answer the question. Okay, and the second question, fourth question is, Aman's mother made 2 liters of juice. So what is the total amount of juice? It is 2 liters. This is the total amount of juice. Okay, and Aman drank 5 glasses of juice, each measuring 125 ml. Okay, so out of 2 liters, Aman drank 5 glasses of juice and each glass measuring 125 ml. Then how much juice is left? So we are going to find out the remaining amount of juice. Remaining amount of juice. So what we have to do? We have to subtract, right? So if they ask total length or total amount, then we have to add. But in this question, they have asked the amount left. So we are going to find out the remaining part. So we have to subtract. Okay, so read the question properly. You understand the question. Okay, and decide whether it is addition or subtraction. Okay, if they ask total amount, total length, total weight, then it is addition. Okay, or if they ask what is the remaining part, what is left, then we have to subtract. Okay, so in this problem they have asked the amount left, so we have to subtract. Okay, so what we have to subtract? We have to subtract the amount Aman drank from the total amount of juice. Okay, so Aman drank 5 glasses of juice, each measuring 125 ml. So consider this is the glass. So 5 glasses, right? 4, 5. So each glass is measuring 125 milliliter. So one glass is 125 milliliter. So Aman drank 5 glasses of juice, right? So we have to find out the amount of juice in 5 glasses, right? One glass, the amount of juice in one glass is 125 milliliter. So in 5 glasses, what we have to do? We have to multiply 125 into 5. Then we will get the amount of juice Aman drank. Okay. Then we have to subtract that amount of juice from the total amount 2 liters. Okay. So look at the solution. Amount of juice in jug is 2 liters. And amount of juice Aman drank is 5 glasses and each glass is measuring 125 ml. So each glass contains 125 milliliter of juice. So she drank 5 ml, right? So we have to multiply 5 and 125, which is equal to 625 milliliter. So we are going to find out the amount of juice left, right? So for that, what we have to do? We have to subtract this 625 milliliter from total amount 2 liter, right? So amount of juice left in the jug is equal to 2 liter minus 625 milliliter. So we have to subtract 2 liter and 625 milliliter. So to subtract, first we have to separate the units, right? So separate liter and milliliter. Liter and milliliter. So first one is 2 liter. So 2 and there is no milliliter. So write 000. Okay. The second one is 625 milliliter. So here write 0 below the unit liter and write 625 below milliliter. Okay. So now we are going to subtract. So 0 minus 5. So we have to start from the right hand side, right? So first 0 minus 5. It is not possible, right? Because 0 is less than 5. So we cannot subtract. So what we have to do? We have to borrow, right? So we cannot borrow from this place and we cannot borrow this place also, right? So we have to borrow from this place. So this 2 will become 1 and this 0 will become 9. This 0 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10, right? So now 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 9 minus 2 is 7 and 9 minus 6 is 3 and here 1 minus 0 is 1. So what is the amount of juice left? It is 1 liter and 375 milliliter. Okay. So amount of juice left in the jug is equal to 1 liter and 375 milliliter. Okay. So you all know addition and subtraction very well, right? So be careful, okay, while subtracting, while borrowing, okay. So the next problem, fifth one. Aditya bought 2 kilogram of apples. Okay, Aditya bought 2 kg of apples, 1 kg 500 gram of oranges and 725 gram of grapes. So these are all given data. Okay. So what is the amount of apples he bought? 2 kilogram. And the amount of oranges is 1 kilogram and 500 gram. Okay. And the amount of grapes is 725 gram. So you have to write in the solution. Okay. So in the solution, first you have to write the given data. Okay. What is given? You have to write the given data first. Okay. And then read the question. How much quantity of fruit did he buy in all? How much quantity of fruit did he buy in all? So what they have asked? They have asked the total quantity of fruits. So what we have to do? We have to add these 3 quantities. Okay. So the quantity of apples plus quantity of oranges plus quantity of grapes. Okay. So look at the solution. Quantity of apples bought is equal to 2 kilogram. And quantity of oranges bought is equal to 1 kilogram 500 gram. And quantity of grapes bought is equal to 725 gram. So these are all the given data. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to find out the total quantity of fruit. So we have to add these 3 quantities. Okay. So total quantity of fruit bought is equal to 2 kilogram plus 1 kilogram and 500 gram plus 725 gram. So we have to add these three quantities. So to add, first what we have to do? We have to separate the units. Okay. So separate kilogram and gram. Okay. Kilogram and gram. And write their units below. Write the values below their units. Okay. So what is the quantity of apples? It is 2 kilogram. So write 2 below kilogram unit and write 000 in grams. Okay. And what is the quantity of oranges? It is 1 kilogram and 500 gram. So write 1 below the unit kilogram and write 500 below the unit gram. Okay. And the third one is quantity of grapes. What is the quantity of grapes? It is 725 gram. So write 0 in kilogram and write 725 below gram. Okay. So now we are going to add these three quantities. Okay. So starting from right hand side. Okay. So add 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 5 is 5. And next 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 2 is 2. And next 0 plus 5 is 5 and 5 plus 7 is 12. So 12 is a 2-digit number. So write 2 in the answer and carry over 1 to the next place. Okay. And now add 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 0 is 4. So 4. So what is the total quantity of fruit? It is 4 kilogram and 225 gram. Okay. So what is the total quantity of fruit? It is 4 kilogram and 225 gram. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. So with that we have completed this chapter and also we have completed the portion for essay 2. Okay. So it's now your part. Okay. You have to practice all the problems on your own. Okay, given in your textbook. Okay, and check with the answers. Okay, children, and make a note that hereafter no videos will be posted. Okay, so for revision we will be having live sessions daily. Okay, and the link will be intimated before the class. Okay, and attendance is mandatory. Okay, you have to attend the class. Okay, otherwise you will miss the class. Okay, because there will be no videos hereafter. Okay, because we have finished all the portions, so we are going to revise only. Okay, so all the revisions we are going to have live sessions daily. Okay, so no videos will be posted. Okay, so you have to be present in all the live sessions. Okay, children, don't miss any class. Okay, so be ready, okay, children, for the revisions. Okay, so study well. Thank you.